Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to block adult website on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on settings. Okay, then tap on screen time and click on this option, content and privacy restriction. Just tap, then tap on this option, content and privacy restriction. Just allow, then tap on App Store, media, web and game. Just click and tap on, just wait, web content. And just tap on this option, limit adult website. That's all. To back. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.